Hi everyone, Banknifty future 1 minute chart. Today weekly option expiry day, May 11th market we are watching. It's an afternoon market after 1 o'clock. Due to expiry day, due to option expiry day, we are expecting some movement volatile in the afternoon market. Whenever market closing, during the closing time of market, in expiry day there will be some momentum movement will happen. So today after 1 o'clock we have received a buy call. So it's a buy signal. To indicate the signal, it showing a green color candle. So it's a buy trend. So it's showing in green color candle. The entry point is a straight white line from green color candle. That is our entry point line. Buy at 43,529. That is our entry point. Above line are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. First target is a 100-point target, 109 point. Second target is more than a 200-point target. This every day it will automatically analyze the market movement and generate calls in live market. For plan details, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the details also. After 1 hour of market movement, it started to move in the bullish momentum and successfully break out the first target range of 43,638, 110-point momentum. Like this today, market generated the buy call, and even though it's a flat momentum, it still break out the first target range. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.